see if this thing runs, huh? I think we're a little too low. Hear that?
Oh yeah.
She sounds bad.
Yeah.
I got another one. Kind of leaves us in a situation now. This one's like 99% of the way there. And I was kind of just buying this for the swing arm and the rear axle and the shock for that one. But this one is almost as clean as that one. I got this and this Raptor in here for $1,500. I feel like it's a pretty good deal. I think we can recoup that money just in the parts we're going to sell of things we don't use. There's the other one. Supposedly both of these things run. They've just been sitting for a minute. That one's already missing a chain, so that one ain't going nowhere. We'll see. We might just be tearing this one apart. Parting her out. We'll see. Let's see if this Banshee runs. We already know that one runs. Might just be easier to get this one running. We can ride this one. Oof. That ain't good. I hate when that happens. We've got petcock issues for days. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have poured so much gas in there. Look at that. None of this is even like hooked up. And this is like cracked or I don't know what the freak's going on here. That is missing the pieces. Definitely missing the pieces. And there is nothing I can do to turn that off. It leaks out faster that way. Maybe I'll just get it over with. Why doesn't off work? I don't know. This quad's already annoying me for obvious reasons. And we know this one runs. I think we're just going to jack the shock and the swing arm and throw it on this one so we can go riding. Let's get on that.
Nice.
Next thing I'm going to do is swap out these hubs for that one. These ones got these wheel spacers on there, and I don't like them, and I don't want to order new studs, so I'm just going to swap the hubs over. Yeah, see, those are just, I just don't feel like dealing with them. So I'm not. See, that's going to go over there. Swap this one with that one, and same on the other side. Okay, I stole the hubs off that one and got it on here. Replace those goofy spacer ones. Next we got to get that gold wheel off this one to match all our other gold wheels. I'm kind of feeling these gold wheels. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. That's all together. That looks good. I think the next thing we're going to do is steal these plastics because they're cleaner than those. I want to steal that grill, put it in there. Definitely going to take that seat. I like that old school seat. Way better than this one. Check that out. This looks pretty good. I couldn't take the front plastics because that desert tank, those are all cut. So we just kept the ones we got. But I swiped that grill out and I swiped those headlights. Let's start this thing and take it for a ride. Make sure everything's good.